In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Asana with Google Sheets. So to get started, go ahead and open Asana into your browser and then sign in to your account. Head over to the project that you want to integrate with your Google Sheets and then go ahead and click on this down button at the right side of the project name and then click on sync or export from here and then click on Google Sheets. Click on this Asana exports link and that will take you here. So make sure to install Asana export into your Google workspace. So once you have installed Asana export, go ahead and open Google Sheets. So go ahead and open Google Sheets on another tab and open the sheet where you want to integrate your Asana project. Click on extensions at the tool section and then click on Asana export from here and then click on sync with Asana. Now in this section, make sure to paste the link given to you by Asana. So copy this link and then paste it here and then click on OK. And you'll be able to find the information that you have on Asana integrated to your Google Sheets. And that is how you can basically integrate Asana with Google Sheets. If this video helped you, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.